Hello children, today we are going to discuss a case study question from chapter Light. This is a paragraph given here. Geeta wanted to see the stars of night sky. She knows that she needs a telescope to see those distant stars. She finds out that the telescopes which are made up of lenses are called refracting telescope, and the ones which are made up of mirrors are called reflecting telescopes. So she decided to make a refracting telescope. She bought two lenses, L1 and L2, out of which L1 was bigger and L2 was smaller. The larger lens gathers and bends the light, while the smaller lens magnifies the image. Big, thick lenses are more powerful. So, to see far away, she needed a big, powerful lens. Unfortunately, she realized that a big lens is very heavy. Heavy lenses are hard to make and difficult to hold in right place. Also, since the light is passing through the lenses, the surface of lenses has to be extremely smooth. Any flaws in the lens will change the image. It would be like looking through a dirty window. This is image given here. First question is, based on the diagram shown, what kind of lenses would Sumati need to make the telescope? Concave lens, convex lens, bifocal lens, flat lens. Answer is convex lens. If the power of lenses L1 and L2 are in the ratio 4:1, what would be the ratio of focal length L1 and L2? We know that power is inverse of focal length. So P1 is equal to 1 upon F1, P2 is equal to 1 upon F2. So P1 by P2 will come 4:1. That means 1 upon F by 1 upon F2 is equal to 4 by 1. So from here F1 by F2 is 1:4. Third question, what is formula for magnification obtained with the lens? For magnification, we are having formula H dash upon H is equal to V upon U, that is ratio of height of image to the height of object. Geeta did some preliminary experiments with the lenses and found out the magnification of eyepiece is 3. If her experiment with L2, she found an image at 24 centimeter from the lens. At what distance she put the object? That is using formula magnification is equal to V upon U. We'll put the values. 3 is equal to 24 upon U and value of U will come out to be 8 centimeter. Fifth question is, Geeta bought not so thick lenses for the telescope and polished them. What advantage, if any, would she have with her choice of lenses? This is option C. Not so thick lenses would make the telescope very heavy and also allows considerable amount of light to pass through them. That's all about this. Thank you.